What's up, everybody? I'm just going to do a quick video on how to replace a snowplow on your Athearn Genesis SD70. This happens to be a SD70M in CSX that I picked up. I'm going to detail this whole thing out, but just want to make a quick video on how to do it. As you can see, the stock one is not the greatest. It doesn't have the MU doors open. It's pretty bland snowplow. So I'll be replacing it with a Details West one. This one is, I believe, part number 155. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. 155. Just a pewter casting. Mount up on those two tabs right there. And they're actually the exact same spacing as the Athearn Genesis. So what I use for this is just a sharp chisel. It's the best way I've found to get these things off. And because you're throwing them away, what I do is just get in there with the chisel. Just kind of work it in. Cut off the back first, sometimes that helps. There's a nub back there. And stick the blade in there and just kind of wiggle it. See how that one popped off? Do the same, wiggle it. Sometimes you'll get it completely to come out. Otherwise, sometimes you'll get it like that. One hole is open and one hole isn't. It's no big deal if that happens. As you can see, there's a stock snowplow. Sometimes you can just push it through. And if not, it's no big deal. What you do is I use a dental pick for all my drilling. You pick them up, Harbor Freight, hobby shops, anywhere. So you just make a dimple in the center, and just get a drill bit. And just line it up on that dimple that you already have. You're going to want to drill this out completely. Okay, it's all the way through. You can just take a standard knife blade and just stick it in there. Ream that hole out. It should get the last of that snowplow out of there. Get you to the correct size. And take your snowplow. Should line right up. Of course, this one doesn't. Holes actually need to be bigger. No big deal. You can just ream them out with this. There you go. Snowplow's on. Not that hard. The only thing you want to make sure is that it is sitting flush up against the backside here. These are your holes. You can go ahead and from the backside just take a little bit of glue on a wire. I usually use scrap pieces of brass or whatever I have laying around, so you get something like this. Sometimes put a little bend on the end. Put a little super glue on a piece of plastic. I use all the bags the details come in. Just put glue on there and glue it down. For these, I recommend painting them first. So I airbrush them. I just use polyscale thinned out. But before you do that, just take a file